We'll be getting to know the XR10 projector. The projector is very well made. It certainly stands out from the competition and from the entire Hisense portfolio. Look at what a huge glass lens we have here. Important thing, this lens here, this dial, isn't a dial. It's a glass cover, a static element. We don't turn it. We don't turn it because we control the entire lens directly from the remote included in the set. 100 centimeters of image width can be achieved from about 80 centimeters to 200 centimeters by moving the projector back. Additionally, in this huge lens, we have a lens shift function, which physically moves the lens inside, and this function allows us to move the image. Left, right, up, down. So without any loss, without any tilting, we can fit the image onto your projection screen or wall. Additionally, we have cameras here that are responsible for scanning the image, scanning the wall where we're going to display the projection from this projector. And automatically, thanks to AI, we'll be able to fit the image perfectly to the black frame or the space we have available for displaying the image. Well, the impression is that everything made here is simply very well fitted together. The casing's metal, it's not some cheap plastic. The dial on top reminds me of the dials on some classic retro-style radios. Well, it's all just cool. Definitely stands out. Look at this decor here. At the back, we have access to the ports. It has speakers made with the Deviolet brand, so it'll sound good. Oh, there you go. Here, Hisense even proudly boasts about who the sound system was made with. Lifting it, it's not the lightest. But that's good. It means we're paying for something, and that something is the technology inside. And inside, as one of the first projectors in the world, it's liquid cooled, a water cooling system, just like in gaming computers. And let's check how long it'll take to adjust the image size to our projection screen. We click Start. Nice test pattern. Mega fast. Right, let's run some 4K material now. And we have Formula 1 in 4K running as test material directly from the YouTube app. There you go. This is still an image being displayed from the projector, in case you were wondering. 120 inches, 260 centimeters wide. Scale. And all of this is from the XR10 projector. 6,000 lumens, 4K content. Shall we turn on? What? Let's make it harder and turn on the lights. There, in our cinema room, I've now turned on the ceiling lights. And the image is still visible. So if you're wondering if a projector can replace a TV, well, in certain conditions, this projector can replace a TV. Iris shutter. What else can we turn on? Right then, there we go. Now we have a slightly more dimmed image, so we've basically narrowed down the shutter opening to let less light out. Here in manual mode, we can adjust to what extent we want the shutter closed. This image looks so good that I'll keep showing you the projector menu. Say you know it's not an image added in post-production. This is the actual image displayed from the projector on a 120-inch screen with a white matte surface. I've spent a few hours playing and working with this projector, and I must confirm it works very well. Automatic image adjustment thanks to built-in cameras, TOF sensors, and artificial intelligence. The image is genuinely adjusted instantly to our projection screen or wall. We have a wide range of vertical and horizontal lens shift, which means in daily use, we don't have to place the projector centrally to our screen or wall. Very flexible, which combined with a large optical zoom, makes this projector one of the most versatile devices on the market. Because those 6,000 lumens from the triple RGB laser simply make the image bright, which means all colors are perfectly saturated and evenly illuminated, and the image simply looks very good. Leave a comment.